Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to import brushes in IbisPaint X. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up IbisPaint X. Then from here, we've either got to click on My Gallery or Online Gallery. I'm going to do My Gallery. And now from here, we can go ahead and add a photo, or we can choose one that's already inside the gallery. So click on the plus to import, but I'm just going to choose this one here. Now, in order to import a brush, we need to click on the edit button here. So inside like so, and then from here, the bottom of the page, click on where it says T, and then click on brush. And now, once you've done that, we've got all the different type of brushes here we can choose from. But if you want to import one, go ahead and click onto the three dots where it says brush, and then it will say import brush QR code. So to get a brush QR code, just do a Google search for brush QR codes and have a look at all the different type of brushes you want to use inside IbisPaint X, and then simply go ahead and click on import brush code. I've already got one inside my file, so I'm going to click on that. Now it's inside my downloads, so here's the brush code here. And then after you've imported, it will say import completed, imported the following brushes. And then it'll give you the name of it. Another good place to find these brushes is over at Pinterest as well.